Hey, good morning. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Tuesday, the 17th of March, 2020. Happy St. Patrick's Day, I believe, to all our Irish friends. It is 4:15 a.m. local here in Vietnam. I couldn't sleep and I was up early. This video is just a quick look at what I've done on the 12-hour high probability charts. Now, with the 12-hour high probability charts here, for me, the new candles at 4 a.m. and 4 p.m. I don't normally get up at 4 a.m. I'm normally up about 5 or just a bit after, where I check the charts, but up early, so we're on it. So about 16 minutes ago. First up, Euro Swiss. This is my watch list on the right. This is the trade. You can read my notes on all these charts. Sells are normally shown by red lines, the intersection of the solid lines my entry, the dashed lines the candle that gave the signal, and I take it generally as close to the open on the next candle. Red trend lines signify bearish divergence. If you see green, that's bullish. If you see blue, aqua blue, it's just something I'm looking at. I'm just watching. Red dotted lines are stop. So all I did on this, and this wasn't this morning, this was on yesterday's afternoon candle, I just moved my stop down a bit tighter underneath the entry level. This morning there is a buy signal. Now with my indicators, this bottom indicator is the MACD Platinum. Generally I'm looking for buys when it's below the zero level and sells when it's above the zero level. So this sell here, the sell that's the actual trade it's open, that was taken with the MACD Platinum above the zero level, and it had hidden bearish divergence between price and the MACD Platinum. Now, these three MAs, 50, 100 EMA and 240 linear weighted moving average, they're spreading, they're heading down, it's a downtrend. Even though there's a new buy signal this morning, there's green dot on price. So it's on, basically says on the open of the candle, buy, MACD Platinum's below the zero level. Couple of reasons I'm not buying. One, we're against the trend. There's no supporting divergence. The MACD's gone lower and price is pretty close to the MAs anyway. So even though I've got a partial sell and I could use that as a partial hedge, just not worth the effort. So that's Euro Swiss, just at the sell. All I've done is move my stop down on the sell. Now, all these trades I call in this group, I keep up a shared spreadsheet, which is available to everyone. It's in the link to that shared spreadsheet. It's a Google Drive document. Is in the, the description of the video. Hopefully this one will go to YouTube. The one yesterday didn't go to YouTube, which is a bit of a bummer. But it still gets posted to my TradingView account, so you can see the ideas there. Right, the other one I did some work on this morning was a New Zealand CAD. Now this, again, you can read my notes. I initially took a sell here when the MACD Platinum was just above the zero level. Then that didn't go far at all before I got a buy signal, so I took a hedge buy, same position size. You can't read it because it's all been removed already. So I took a sell for 0.02, a buy for 0.02, locking in a loss between these two. Then I took a third sell for 0.06 up here, which is, second sell, third trade, second sell in here. My overall break-even level was this yellow area there because I didn't have far to go. This thing dropped nicely. I drew this blue line across here. It's having trouble breaking these lows. It's bounced up a little bit. MACD Platinum's close to the zero level. For me, that's time to take some action. So I've closed the original sell, the hedge buy, and 0.4 of the second sell. And I've put a stop in place just below the entry level there. The stop set at 85873. So this sell's gone. This buy's gone. So these two trades are gone completely. And profit to date on those closures was $46.88, which has now been added to the profit to date. So, and that break even is no longer valid because I can't lose on this trade unless something drastic happens. So I'm in a remaining 0.02, which is my base lot anyway, my base position size, and hoping for this to keep on going down. I may take some further action on that. So that's New Zealand CAD doing all right. So that's it for the 12-hour high probability charts. Time for me to now check the daily charts. Normally I do the video after that, but no rush on the dailies. The spreads have got to come in, etc. Very volatile market. I see the first charts I look at in the morning is the US stock market and Bitcoin. Both of them aren't copping it at the moment. So hopefully everyone's doing all right with this virus that's getting around. I know my wife's just headed back to Australia yesterday, and she should be arriving this morning sometime. And she'll have to go straight into 14 days of self-isolation. That'd be fun. Plenty of time to watch Netflix, I guess. All right, guys, I'm rambling. Thanks for watching. If you do like the video, please subscribe on the YouTube channel. If nothing else, hit the like button, and I will chat to you later. Cheers.